Footage of a driverless Tesla delivering coffee in Dubai goes viral.
Speaking of rich people stuff.
Give me a little look at this clip here. Autonomous coffee delivery. Nice.
So Model X
Are
just
you sure
rolling
there's
up,
no driver in there? What if he
opens the door, and then they grab the coffee.
maybe he jumped
No one's
out.
driving?
Maybe he jumped out right when it turned.
Maybe.
Or is it on some type of summon mode?
Yeah, maybe in Dubai there's like a certain mode of like taxi service.
It looks like a summon mode to me.
Like
He loves the coffee though.
He's having a great time.
Can you give me another second of the coffee enjoyment, please? Right at the end here. Look, this is the part I enjoy. Watch this. Watch this. That's a good. He does the kind.
Life philo.
That's what I needed. The coffee. I mean, he might have even a pastry in the bag over there.
I'm sure, yes.
Somebody in the chat says this guy is known for faking vids. Well, listen, everybody's trying to get the hot vids. Okay.
Well, it's a good proof of concept, I guess,
Of how it would look.
yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
even if it is fake.
The Tesla can drive itself. Like, it does have a summon mode. I think it's fake in the sense, like, the way that people are perceiving it, that it came all the way from the cafe,
Right.
which definitely did not happen without a driver, because Teslas have all types of safety functions in there. You got to touch the wheel, and even if you're fully autonomous, you got to be present.
But this is the future,
One day.
you know?
One day, man.
I can
Autonomous.
see it.
Well, listen, they were doing it with the pizzas. They had the little pizza bot. Remember that guy?
Yes.
He was driving around the neighborhood and you just walk up, pull your pizza out. Yeah, no, it'll happen. It's, yeah, you see people here saying it was staged. The footage was staged for the gram. Yeah. Well, it's all right. That's cool. I mean,
it's good to know.
I still enjoyed his acting when he did the sip. So that's good enough. This is good, and this is worth it for me right here. And then he goes, when he tilts his head ever so slightly.
That's the stuff.
That's what I'm looking for. So,
Nectar of the gods.